Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am excited to share with you this eco-worthy 30 amp solar controller. There are two versions of this. This is the one with Bluetooth, and there is another one that is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can control it from anywhere in the world. I only needed Bluetooth. I like this one. I like the design of it. The other one has a different thing that you would mount that comes off of it. What I like is the hookups here and how they go on. And you have your two USB ports here, and then your different functions here. And if you long press, it'll get you into the functions, and then you can set parameters. But what is fantastic about this particular controller is the app, and I love the app because you can set the parameters in it, and so far so good. And what's great about that app is when you do the parameters, it is so easy to set and change. And the one thing you do need to know when you hook these up, you want to hook up your battery first, then your solar panel, then your load. That's it from here. Hope this helps you out. Give you a close look. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!